Is used where we want external feed from machine which tells the VFD that the machine is ready and motor can start. So this is a safety feature just to prevent any movement of motor while disconnected. In case run enable signal is disconnected, VFD will stop the motor. Let's jump to demo and check it out practically. I will first assign run enable. So I assigned P5 run enable, which is connected to this one, and P1 is forward, which is connected to this button. After making run enable, we have to go to ADV group to activate. Now as you can see, run enable mode always enabled, so we need to mention it DI dependent. That means if there is a signal on P5, only then it will enable the motor to move. And this 71, it's in case the run enable command is removed, what should be the action. So now if I press the push button, you see the motor is not moving. So when I enable, now you can see that the motor is rotating. Now for example, if the motor is rotating like this and I remove the run enable, so you see it stopped instantaneously.